Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Ford F150 key. We'll cover the steps for adding a new transponder chip key, which allows your truck to start. Then, we'll walk through programming the remote functions, like locking and unlocking your doors. Finally, I'll discuss what to do if you only have one working key, as this requires a slightly different approach. Let's get started and make sure your new key is fully functional. To program a new transponder chip key, you'll need two already programmed keys. First, insert your first working key into the ignition, turn it to the on position for about 3 seconds, then turn it off and remove it. Next, within 10 seconds, insert your second working key, turn it to on for 3 seconds, then off and remove it. Finally, within 20 seconds, insert your new, unprogrammed key and turn it to on. The door locks should cycle, confirming successful programming. Now, let's program the remote functions of your key fob. Close all doors, then quickly cycle your ignition from the off to the run position 8 times within 10 seconds, ending on run. Your door locks will cycle to confirm programming mode. Within 8 seconds, press any button on your first remote, then repeat for any additional remotes. If you only have one working key, you cannot program a new transponder chip key yourself. You'll need assistance from a qualified locksmith or a specialized programming tool. If you encounter issues, first ensure your new key blade is accurately cut to match your existing one. Also, if your remote functions aren't working, a simple battery replacement, typically a CR2032 3V battery, might solve the problem. Remember, precise timing is crucial for successful programming, so try again if it doesn't work the first time. And hey, if you're looking for some seriously comfortable and durable socks, check out the Darn Tough link in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.